Yes. Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all in every part of the world that are watching me from. My name is Asoga Solomon. I have a very interesting topic that I want to talk about today, which is the Staphylococcus aureus. Among the family of Staphylococcus aureus, one is the most commonest, the most stubbornest, and then as in the one that has that tendency to spread so easily. And that one is Staphylococcus aureus. A lot of people are suffering from this bacteria called Staphylococcus aureus. And it now looks as if the orthodox medicine does not have solution to it. The reason is that this bacteria most times has this ability to build resistance to antibiotics. And once this bacteria builds resistance to antibiotics, it now look as if there's no antibiotic that can work on it. One can contact this bacteria through sexual intercourse, through body contact with the infected person. One can contact this virus through body contact with the infected person. But there are so many ways. So as in you can contact this bacteria called Staphylococcus aureus so easily. For instance, let me use myself as an example. If I am infected, I can give this bacteria through handshake. Once there's sweat in my hand, or once there's sweat in my body, and once there's contact between my body and your own, you get this bacteria. If the infected person touches any surface, any object, you that is not infected, if he touches that surface or that object within some seconds, you get it. That's why patients in the hospital, people that work in the hospital, people that visit the gym, people that go to public swimming pool can easily contact this virus. Even in the public vehicle, through body contact with the infected person, you get this bacteria. Even during intercourse that you feel you are protected with condom, you can also still get this bacterial infection. It is so easy to contact this bacteria. So easy. But the good news I came with today is that through God's insight, through the wisdom of God, through the gift of God and nature, I have discovered cure to this bacterial infection. Yes. If you have someone who is diagnosed of this bacterial infection called Staphylococcus aureus, just give the person my contacts. First of all, we'll ask you to go to the lab, get the results, get your results, keep it one place, and then we'll start our treatment. We'll treat you for like a month or two, go back and redo the test, and then come back with good news. This bacteria is not like other bacteria or other parasites that once it gets into your system, you'll be weak or so. No, you can contact this stuff. You won't even have any health challenge. It will just be there in your system, damaging your organs. It takes time, take years, depending on the strength of your immune system before it will manifest. The major area that this bacteria affects is the reproductive system. Once you contact it, it goes into your reproductive system. That's why we're experiencing things like blocked fallopian tube, rashes, itching, discharge for female, irregular menstruation, as in, to just disorganize your whole reproductive system. For men, it causes weak erection. You see a man producing dead sperm cells and the rest of it. And at the end, couples will be unable to conceive because of the presence of this bacteria in the system. But like I said earlier, we have drugs that can treat this bacteria. Just give us a try. Go to the lab, examine yourself, bring the results, and then we'll start our treatment step by step. This drug comes in powdered form and in liquid form. We'll start with the powdered one. After the powdered one, move into the liquid one, stage by stage, and we'll get you treated. And after the treatment, if there's any damage in your system, like I said earlier, it damages your reproductive system. It can affect your skin. It can also affect if sometimes if it affects your lungs, it leads to pneumonia. If it affects your system so much, it can causes high blood pressure for you. Some people even causes ulcer for them, or even pie. This thing is as dangerous as anything. Once it gets into your system, it will begin to destabilize your entire system. So after our treatment, once we are sure that the thing is no longer in your system, we'll go into giving you drugs that will remedy those damages. And at the end, you look like a newborn baby again. My people, if you come across this video, please share. Even if you are not suffering from staph, you maybe have someone that is suffering from it, or people close to you, people in your contact, share it. Let it go viral. By so doing, you bring joy to some people. By so doing, you bring joy to some people. So kindly share, use your share button, click and like so your friends can see it. And if you do so, God will bless you. Thank you all.